Right, so here we are. Habley Brook waterfall. About 2 mile walk from Ponsbury. It does look like something like you've seen in a Jurassic Park movie, maybe. Something out of a fantasy novel. It is quite pretty, very peaceful. You bring your dogs, bring your family, come and have a picnic, do what you want. Just make sure you don't come down here of an evening in the summer, because you will get eaten alive by midges. However, it's worth it. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling now and get some of the hard stuff down my neck, e.g. council pop, e.g. water, and I'll see you soon. Ta-da, boys.